For sale. A restored 14th century château. Located in Corrèze, Limousin, France. It offers 15 bedrooms. With a habitable size of 512 square meters, this restored 14th century residence located in the village of Lagraulière combines medieval architecture with modern comfort. The estate offers versatile living and investment potential. The château provides 15 spacious guest rooms, 8 with ensuite bathrooms, alongside elegant reception rooms including a library, music room, and formal dining hall. The estate also features 3 independent holiday cottages and a stone barn. The property spans 12 hectares with a private lake, orchard, and walking trails, creating a tranquil setting for leisure and events. The asking price of this restored 14th century château estate is €1,598,000. Ideal as a luxury residence, boutique guesthouse, or event venue, this rare historic property offers character, space, and income potential. Thank you for watching.